Okay guys, we're going to be taking the engine apart today. I got to get it to the machine shop so I can get it back and reassemble it. The GoPro ate some of the footage. I didn't get the valve cover taken off on the footage, the engine mounts, or the front cover. So with that said, let's get this engine apart. Alright, we got the oil pan pulled out. We don't really see anything yet. We're fixing to dump the contents of the oil pan. We're actually going to drain it through the drain plug because if there's anything in there, we don't want it to come out. We're going to drain it right there.
Yes, sir, thanks.
I see metal. It's a broke piston skirt. Can y'all see that down in there? Ooh, golly. There's more. I've got oil trying to come out my oil. Well, that's where my noise was. I guess we can go ahead and tear on down with it now. Well guys, here's where we stand. We got the engine taken apart. Got the main caps put back on. This bearing right here had just a little wear in it. This bearing right here on the cap side had a ton of wear in it. I don't know what happened to it. The cylinder bores are incredible. They are immaculate. So JJ has finally given me something positive. They look good. The pistons, the rod bearings looked really good on all of them. And I had, this was piston number 2. Alright, this is piston number 2. Catastrophic failure, broke all the way up to the oil ring. Anyway, yep, I was having some rattle going on. So now I've got to take my block to the machine shop. He wants my block, he wants my rods with my pistons, my crankshaft, which I already have loaded back here in the back of my borrowed van. I'm driving a van instead of a Jeep. Got my crank in here, got the head in here. He didn't ask for the camshaft. I brought the camshaft. I believe that the gasket kit has come in with lifters, I know, and so I believe therefore it will be coming also with a camshaft, because you're not supposed to replace the lifters without replacing the cam also. If it doesn't come with one, I will buy a cam. I've got to get a water pump. The kit comes with an oil pump. So all I've got to do now is find me a Ziploc bag to put those two bolts in around Ziploc bags, and I've got to remove my dipstick tube and take this off, put this in the van, sitting just like it's sitting right here on a garbage bag, take it to the guy to let him machine it and get it done. So all in all, I'm pleased with how well everything came apart. Got to get new head bolts. I don't believe my gasket kit, I'll have to buy those on my own. So anyway, engine super tiny when you have everything stripped off of it, or the block is, not the engine. Anyway, I'm pleased. Block should be fine. I presume the head's going to be fine. So I know I did a lot of time lapse on this video. That way I don't have to stop and start and stop and start the recording process. I know it's probably not as good to watch. I didn't explain anything really I was doing. Most people watching my channel is not going to be doing this type work, and I understand that, and I don't mind doing it, just because I'll dig into just about anything. So anyway, oil pan, got all the, well, I got the big chunks of metal out of it. Inside of JJ, kind of looking empty. I may use this as an opportunity to clean some of that engine bay stuff up. I may not, it just depends on how lazy I get. So anyway, I have destroyed my garage. Antifreeze, oil. It's just where I had to work on it, where I had all my tools and stuff at. I didn't want to take up anybody else's shop and mess their stuff up. So I've got the tarp down to catch most of it, but I'll still have to get the degreaser and cleaner out and pressure wash this thing real good when I get done. But yeah, looks like a grenade exploded in my shop. Had a friend loan me a cherry picker so I wouldn't have to go buy one, and man, that thing is awesome. It'll lift up plenty high and all the way to 2 tons. So guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I appreciate y'all watching. JJ has thrown me a curveball by blowing his engine. So anyway, he was still running. He would have still got me. He didn't leave me stranded anywhere. He got me home. So I appreciate that. So anyway, I gotta get the machine shop work done. And y'all remember, I've got the Mustang videos coming. I've got some of those videos coming up soon. And I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Yeah.